We're gonna starve to death up here, Mr. Morgan.
We're okay.
We have a few cans of food and a rabbit. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy...
I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson.
We were stranded at sea for 50 days.
And you unfortunately survived.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. And if needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving would be preferred.
Come on, let's go. You can't go. Look at
نذهب يا آرثur.
Look at this game in those hills, I'll find it.
دعونا من هذا
You can kill it.
الملجأ.
All right. Let's head out.
انطوني بو. شو تعال جيبه. سوف نكون بخير.
You reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed.
شوف حصان بس.
We'll head up this way.
نفس الحصان اللي استعملته.
Been a while, few days.
حصاني صار مستوى 2.
Riding north from Blackwater, getting stuck in the storm, going out for John, that thing with the O'Driscolls.
You got a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just glad to think back on it.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Green Bay. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
وصلنا أخيرا. مش قاعدين ندور معه. ماذا نفعل يا آرثر؟
See some of the ground uncovered here. Let's look down this way. The wind's died down too. That's good.
نشوف النهر
If
الكتري.
it's too strong, it won't move.
Stay quiet.
يقول ابقى متيقظا.
Hey, stop here a second. I see something.
يقول وقف من شوية أشوف شي. عشان أطلع الموضوع. أشوف غزال هناك.
Wait, look.
Careful. This might be our only chance for a good meal.
يا حسان لا تتابعني.
Focus, Arthur. You need this meat. Come on. You're making yourself too obvious.
طبعا يا شباب
It's okay. Try again.
أخيرا عرفت شلون أطوف. أخيرا سقط واحد. سقطت. صار سقطوا أزولي وشابوك. سقطوا أزولي وشابوك. بس شو أسوي بي؟ أريد أذبحه. نحتاج غزال ثاني. سقط غزال ثاني يا شباب. ايش هذا علامة أبيض؟ ذبحت. أخيرا لقيت الحصان الغزال اللي أريد أقصد. تعال أيها الحصان، أيها المرقع. أحسنت أيها المرقع. ما قدرت أشيله، قمت أسحبه. يعني ما أول صيد لليلى.
You found him.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
Yeah, it's easier when they ain't shooting back.
I've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck is finally on the turn.
Seems to me we've been putting our effort into
هسه عرفت ليش صدت غزالين واحد الواحد اللي.
People are still weak, and well, you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? We still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan. You notice how Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater? We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. Watch it. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One more. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing. Except maybe that can of salted Pearson was kind enough to give us.
The girl. She has a wild look in her eye.
Of course. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Well, once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. Careful. She might have family somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
And Dutch go way back. And not in a good way. A proper blood feud.
Watch out. They're up ahead. Let's
ماكو دوب قدامنا.
Must be real hungry. Stay well. Spring storms like this are the worst for animals that sleep overnight.
حان وقت الصيد ببابا.
Cut up here, off the trail.
Easy. Go easy, boy. We ain't ever talked that much, you me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that.
لقد تجنبنا قتل الدب.
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here. I know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
You still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch. You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes.
يقول لا تعرف أن دوتش
He treats me
مختلف.
fair. Most of you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, we need you now. 20 years, something like that. Since I was a boy. Yeah.
20 years?
Yeah.
12 سنة
Taught me to
مربي
read.
دوتش.
John, too. Taught me a few other things. Him and Hosea.
مربي هو جون.
Dutch saved me. Saved
دوتش
most of us.
أنقذني. دوتش.
That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right. Naima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
لقد وصلنا إلى
I hope they
المنزل.
all make it.
I tried to ride the Count once.
لقد أحضرنا الأكل.
Hucked me faster than a bull. Won't take no.
الأكل يكفي ل4 أيام. هذا قصاب شنوان.
I'm gonna get
غزال
started over
مجمد.
here.
Brought some food back, boys.
لقد عدنا بالطعام يا بلاك وذر.
Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. And thank you for showing me how to use the boat properly.
I only showed you a little. There's a lifetime of practice to master.
Well.
لدينا غزال للباع اليوم.
Just drop it down in here.
أيها
What a
القصاب لقد
surprise.
أحضرنا
Found
لك
camp rat
غزالين.
loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend?
أحضر لنا
Feel like
طعام
we haven't
غزال.
spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
نحتاج مهمة أخرى أيها
So
الشاب.
you got on just fine.
Charles is a wonder.
Have a drink, boys.
أحضر
You
الطعام
earned it.
واسكت. هيا نذهب.
You skinned that one that you dumped on the floor there.
أريد غزال مالتي. قاعدين نشتغل قصابة.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these or sell these in pretty much any town. If you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
يقول احضر لي المزيد اعطيك فلوس
Bring
مقابله.
it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah. Well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it.
هيا انا ذاهب الى المنزل بعد بضعة ايام.
Been a bad few weeks, but Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being
بدأ
Dutch, those
خطته.
plans involve robbery and dreams.
إن داتش بدأ خطة. ما هو الخطة يا ترى؟
Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some
هل هذا
respect,
جون؟
Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You're still here then?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Then you'll pay me.
ألم تصبح جيدا جون؟
Arthur,
ماذا تريد يا
You want me to come? Of course I do, but
داتش؟
look at you. I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail. Jackie.
The boy wanted to see you, John.
You see me now.
انظر إلى ولدك يا جون.
What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it.
يجب أن تشكر آرثر مورغان.
Bill, now you ride ahead and set the
هيا
charge
نذهب
at
إلى
the water
الخطة.
tower just before the tunnel. All right, we're moving out.
يجب أن نتحرك الآن. هيا اتبعوني لنذهب وراء دوتش. دوتش، ماذا نفعل اليوم؟
Okay, gentlemen, listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses. You'll keep lookout for any outsiders. How's that hand, by the way? I'll be fine. Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars and deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan. Great. Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep
أنا ودوتش سنذهب
You worry about
للمهمة.
yourself, huh?
enough. After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're
دوتش،
doing?
لم تقل ما هو المهمة.
Good.
قد وصلنا.
Now come on. Let's ride.
هل وصلنا؟ انظر إلى الشباب. نحن الشباب الستة خرجنا في مهمة. شباب لا تنسوا اللايك على الفيديو. بس أريد أكسر دوتش.
Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get
ليش
this
ما
done
أخذت
fast
دوتش؟
now it's going before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan,
بس شوفوا الأجواء يا شباب. انتظروني انتظروني. يا شباب لأنني كنت مشغولا.
Are you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
أوه يلبسون لهدفي. آسف يا شباب، كنت مشغول ويا
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back. When I say we go back. And that's the
اسكت
end.
ولا اقتلك
Money safe.
ولا اقتلك
You'll just
ولا
have to trust me. And if the
أنا
O'Driscolls
لا
are right,
أثق بك.
there'll be a stack of railroad
Trust me.
bonds on this train. Good money. Once we work out how to cash them.
ماني جميل جديد جميل رائع.
Get your mind
اسكت
on
أيها
the job
الأحمق.
at hand. Come on.
Come on. دعونا ننتهي من هذه المهمة بسرعة. يا أبويا شوفوا الأجواء يا شباب. آرثر مورغان. أكسر ظهر الحصان منو قاعد أركض. شباب سكة قطار هنا موجود. اكو ناس هنا.
Is Bill there? Yeah.
وصلنا مكان قطار يا شباب. مكان قطار شكو. مهمة بيل. ماذا فعل؟ هل أقتل بيل؟
Well, go on then.
من وين أروح؟
This is a good spot.
Yeah. I must remember to thank Home O'Driscoll for planning it out so well for us. And for providing all the...
هاي بيل ماذا تفعل؟ قاعد يفخخ. قاعد يفخخ مكان القطار. راح نسيطر على القطار يا شباب. جريت. ماذا تريدني أن أفعل؟ قاعد نفخخ القطار يا شباب بالTNT. هذا مكان التفجير. دعونا نفعلها. هذا يكفي. يجب أن نذهب إلى الجميع. نجتمع هنا. هاي دوج ستقتل الجميع باختصار. أنت أحمق. شباب شوفوا المنظر. شوفوا المنظر. بداية الربيع. داتش لنبدأ المهمة ولننتهي من هذا.
What's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
ماذا حصل هناك؟
Everything okay? I think so.
كل شيء جيد.
Cover your faces. Train should be here any minute.
هيا. أحتاج القناع وينه؟ أخيرا لقيت القناع وبدينا المهمة. جاء القطار. حان وقت المهمة. إنه وقت المهمة. القطار قادم. حظا جميلا. نحن نبدأ. إنه لا ينفجر.
You've got to be kidding me. Where did you find that moron? You said it was fine. It's my fault. Come on! You're pathetic. You know that?
لقد تسلقنا إلى القطار يا شباب. أنقذه. التقطك. ها أنت بخير.
Come on, let's get to the front.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
والله ما أروح قبل ما ألوث يا شباب.
You want me to take them? Who's going?
Loot.
Okay, I'll just stay. Shouldn't we push up?
سوف نتحرك. نعم.
Let's keep moving. Got company. Who's got a shot on them? Someone right now. Hey, I got a bomb right here. Should we move up? Going up. We have to stop this traffic.
سيف.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
Loot. آسف يا صديقي، أحتاج لوت. واحد اثنين.
There better be some money at the end.
All these bastards must be guarding something.
We need to guard the back.
Yep, he's pushing on them.
some.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this guy?
Doing good, kid. What the hell are you?
I don't know. Damn it. I thought that was all of them.
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are.
أخيرا لقد أتوا. آرثر تعال إلى هنا أيها الحصان المرقع، أهلا بك. أركب الحصان هيا.
Okay, boy. Let's go.
Let's go, people.
What are you doing? Get over here.
أنا قادم، لا تترتر كثيرا.
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas.
نحصل على الماء ونذهب.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you.
Any more of you.
I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
يجب أن تثق بي، نحن ننتصر. أخرج المال واخرج.
You asked for it. 5.
لديك 5 دقائق.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. اقتلوه.
Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little.
إنه خارج.
That's enough. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open.
افتحوا الباب أيه.
Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Now light the fuse.
أوه لقد أحن.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellas.
سوف نفجر الباب. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
All right, come on. Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you.
كنت أريد قتله.
We just want to rob your boys.
لكن
Get on up there. Search that train.
دعوني أفحص المال. حاول. أريد قتلك لأنك ضربتني.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
انظر لهذا المكان.
Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake. You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will you?
Didn't see you rushing to jump on that train.
Hey, see if
حصلنا على
we can get this
رسالة
open.
حب. ريدو ميلن. اوه حصلت على السكور يا شباب. حصلت على ساعتهم الأسطورية. أريد بطاقة.
Just a pile of papers. Bonds? I don't think so. Here, make yourself useful. At least we all know you can read. Give me those. Contracts, invoices, blah, blah, blah. You got anything? Not really. Sugar imports from the Spanish West Indies?
وقد حصلت على الفلوس. كاش. حصلنا على جوكورو أخرى. سكائر. لماذا تفتح يا غبي؟ حصلنا على ما نريد لنذهب يا أخي، لكن أريد المزيد. هيك قد حصلت على العقار. أين الماني؟
What did you find?
ما هو الخطة؟
Worth anything? Oh, sure.
الخطة نخرج من هنا. وعن كف القطار كان وقت لازم نحركه. اذهب أيها القطار، لقد أخذنا ما نريده. أخيرا انتهينا من سرقة القطار، مهمة سرقة القطار. أتمنى عجبكم المقطع، لا تنسوا تحطون اللايك والاشتراك بالقناة، وإلى اللقاء في تكملة القصة.